If your website feels slow, confusing, or just not working like it should, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you 7 clear signs your WordPress website needs help. Not hype, not fluff, real signs I see every week. And I'll explain exactly how to fix them. Quick note, I put a simple website health checklist in the pinned comment below. You can use it to audit your own site after this video. Let's get into it. Hi, I'm Rob McDonald, and I help small business owners like you be successful with their WordPress websites. This is for the small business owner who built their own site a few years ago, or hired someone once and hasn't touched it since, or feels nervous every time they log in. Your site works, but something feels off. Here's the truth. Most websites don't need a full redesign. They need a foundation fix. Let's go through the signs. Sign number 1, your website is slow. If your site takes more than 3 seconds to load, that's a problem. People leave. Google notices. Your sales drop. Why does this happen? Usually it's cheap hosting, no caching, large image files, too many plugins. Here's my workflow. First, I check the hosting. Hosting is the foundation. Second, I run a speed test. Third, I remove any plugins that are not needed. Fourth, I optimize images. I don't start with design. Performance comes first. A slow website is like a store with a locked front door. Sign number 2, you're afraid to update it. If you see 15 or 20 pending updates and feel nervous, that's a sign. Updates shouldn't feel scary. They feel scary when there's no backup system, no staging site, and the site was not set up properly in the beginning. Let me give you a quick, real example. I worked with a wellness coach last year. Her site looked clean, good photos, nice layout. But she hadn't updated it over a year. She was afraid to click the update button. Can you imagine that? There were 22 pending updates. 22. No backup system, no security monitoring. One day her own contact form stopped working, and she didn't even notice it for 2 weeks. That's lost leads, lost revenue. Here's what I did. First, I set up proper backups. Then I cleaned up unnecessary plugins. Then I updated everything safely. I didn't redesign her site. I stabilized it. Within a month, the site was faster. The forms worked, and she stopped worrying every time she logged in. Security and backups are not optional. They're non-negotiable. Sign number 3. It looks bad on a mobile device, like your iPhone. Open your site on your phone right now. Is the text tiny? Are the buttons hard to tap? Does the layout feel cramped? Most traffic today is mobile. If your site only looks good on desktop, that's a problem. This usually happens because the theme was never adjusted for mobile devices. Spacing was not tested. Fonts were not resized properly. Here's what I do. I test across multiple screen sizes. I simplify layouts. I increase spacing. I adjust font sizes. Responsive design is not a bonus feature. It's required in today's world where everything's being viewed on people's phones. All right, sign number 4. You have too many plugins. If you have 25 or 30 plugins installed, that's a warning sign, especially if you're not sure what half of them do. This happens over time. You add one plugin to fix one problem, then another, then another. Now you have overlap, conflicts, slower performance. Here's my approach. I audit every single plugin. If it doesn't serve a clear purpose, it goes. If 2 plugins do the same job, I keep the better one. Simpler systems are stronger long term. More plugins doesn't mean more power. It usually means more risk. Sign number 5. You're not getting leads. If people visit your site, but you're not getting inquiries, something's broken. Usually it's not traffic, it's clarity. Here are the common issues. No clear call to action. Too many menu items. Forms buried at the bottom. Messaging that's vague. Here's what I'd fix. First, I'd clarify the goal of the homepage. 1 goal, not 5. Second, I'd simplify the navigation. Third, I'd make the call to action very obvious. Clear navigation drives conversions. People should know exactly what to do within 5 seconds. If they don't, they're apt to leaving. All right, sign number 6. You don't know what's happening on your site. If I ask where your traffic comes from and you say I'm not sure, that's a sign. You don't need complex dashboards. You need basic clarity. Where's traffic coming from? What pages are most visited? Are people filling out your forms? I install simple analytics. I set up basic goal tracking. That's it. You can't improve what you don't measure. But keep it simple. Sign number 7. You're constantly putting out fires. If your website feels like constant maintenance, drama, that's not normal. Broken forms, spam attacks, strange hosting emails, malware warnings. That usually means the foundation is weak. Here's my order of operations. Stabilize your hosting, lock down security, clean up plugins, implement a maintenance routine, fix the foundation before adding features. Cosmetic upgrades come last. Let me say something important. Most of the time, it's not a design problem. It's a structure problem, or a performance problem, or a security problem. Design changes are exciting. Don't get me wrong. But stability builds a business. Here's your next step. Go to the pinned comment, download the website health checklist, score your site, and be honest. If 3 or more of these signs apply to your site, it needs attention, not panic. Just a plan. Comment help below if you want me to review your site topic in a future video. Tell me what sign really hits home for you. Your website should support your business, not stress you out. You don't need to be a tech expert. You just need the right foundation. If you want clear, practical WordPress advice without the overwhelm, subscribe to my channel. I answer real WordPress questions small business owners are already searching for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.